The PF had been trying to buy councillors. Last week we also saw on the blog which you administer that the buying team now had moved to Northwestern Province. And we almost instantly saw the results. But again, that is still irresponsible. The Zambian people should not accept that sort of thing. Because you see, a senior civil servant moving from one area to another, who is facilitating that? I'm saying yes, I agree. A few councillors have resigned. The majority are still there. But the bigger picture, which should worry you, which should worry every Zambian, is that the PF were not put into government to buy councillors or to buy the opposition, because the money they are using is my money and your money, because all of us are taxpayers. That is what should worry everybody, not these other issues. Because you see, even if councillors are bought, does that bring service to the people? Is that the way? It doesn't. The people want medicines in the hospitals. They want good roads. They want this. I mean, I was on a tour of Western Province. I can tell you that from on the Livingston Nakatindi Road to get to Mlobezi, a distance of 93 kilometers from Simngoma, takes you more than 4 hours. And here you are seated in Osaka, you say massive infrastructure development and so on. That is what people should be worried about. That's why the government comes into power to make things work. Now you go to Western Province to buy councillors, but you don't fix the roads, you don't put water, you don't put schools and so on, and then you think people will be happy. That is an insult. You understand? That's an insult. And now you are going to take COVID to the traditional authority, and then you are going to kill all those people, even those councillors who resigned. Is it not a shame that now they are going to have their relatives killed because of this problem, which is going to be transported from Lusaka?
Now, how?
What I'm saying is that, first of all, the PF, they said they would create jobs, they will put money in our pockets, they will reduce taxes. That is what they were supposed to do, okay? As a matter of fact, if you were to ask me, my honest opinion is this, that in Western Province, all the roads, including the ones I traveled on last week, Nangweshi to Shangombo, you take 7 hours on a distance of less than 200 kilometers. And you have a government here in town beating drums and so on. I went to clinics in Nkeyema. All of them had no drugs for malaria, and malaria now is at its height. I go to these other places, there is no water. There is nothing. Safe delivery is so poor. The Kafue Hook Bridge in the national park is still a disaster to happen, to kill so many people.